Tiles Manufacturing Unit Lightweight 1 Civil Engineer Abu Bakar Sadiq Mwarid Roof Tiles Manufacturing Unit Lightweight 1. Disclaim: his information memorandum is to introduce the subject matter and provide a general idea and information on the subject. Although the material included in this document is based on data / information gathered from various reliable sources, however, it is based upon certain assumptions which may differ from case to case. The information has been provided on as is where is basis without any warranties or assertions as to the correctness or soundness thereof. Although due care and diligence has been taken to compile this document, the contained information may vary due to any change in any of the concerned factors, and the actual results may differ substantially from the presented information. The contained information does not preclude any further professional advice. The prospective user of this memorandum is encouraged to carry out additional diligence and gather any information which is necessary for making an informed decision, including taking professional advice from a qualified consultant / technical expert before taking any decision to act upon the information. In case the document is intended to be used for loan application under any specified loan scheme, respective scheme parameters are to be incorporated accordingly. In doing so, financial results may vary from results shown in this document. Pre-feasibility report. Roof Tiles Manufacturing Unit Lightweight 2 Civil Engineer Abu Bakar Sadiq Mwarid 2. Purpose of the document. The objective of the pre-feasibility study is primarily to facilitate potential entrepreneurs in project identification for investment. The project pre-feasibility may form the basis of an important investment decision, and in order to serve this objective, the document / study covers various aspects of project concept development, startup, production, marketing, finance and business management. The purpose of this document is to facilitate potential investors in Roof Tiles Manufacturing Unit, Lightweight, by providing them with a general understanding of the business with the intention of supporting potential investors in crucial investment decisions. The need to come up with pre-feasibility reports for undocumented or minimally documented sectors. This consequently reveals certain thumb rules, best practices developed by existing enterprises by trial and error, and certain industrial norms that become a guiding source regarding various aspects of business setup and its successful management. Apart from carefully studying the whole document, one must consider critical aspects provided later on, which form basis of any investment decision. Pre-feasibility report. Roof Tiles Manufacturing Unit Lightweight 3 Civil Engineer Abu Bakar Sadiq Mwarid 3. Executive Summary. Lightweight roof tiles manufacturing unit is proposed to be located in adjoining areas and major towns of any of the major cities. Roof tiles used in Pakistan are generally available in the size 12x12, 1 square feet. However, on demand, roof tiles of different specifications can also be manufactured. Installed capacity of the proposed unit is 250,000 tiles and its initial utilization will be 187,500 tiles at 75% in year 1. Total project cost is estimated as Rs 1.00 million, 8 years payback Rs 1.00 million respectively. The project will provide employment opportunities to 5 people including owner. The legal business status of this project is proposed as sole proprietorship. For brief description of the project, key parameters pertaining to the proposed project are briefly described as under. Technology. Traditional molds, known as firma by the local industry, semi-automatic mixer and simple masonry equipment would be required to produce lightweight roof tiles for the use of construction industry. Location. The unit would be located in urban and rural areas of Pakistan, where access of buyers is easy and all raw materials are easily available. Pre-feasibility report: roof tiles manufacturing unit, lightweight for civil engineer Abu Bakar Siddiq Muawid product. The unit would produce lightweight roof tiles to fulfill the local housing construction demand of tiles of different sizes and strengths, depending upon the individual requirements of the customer. Employment generation. The proposed unit will provide direct employment to 5 people. 5 installed and operational capacity. The financial statements for this project are based on the production of 750 tiles /day. However, the project can be initiated with the production of 333 tiles /day in smaller towns and other areas where the demand is comparatively low. Initial production capacity of unit is assumed to be 75%, which will increase at 4% annually and will eventually of 95%. Table 1. Production capacity. Average daily production /person no of direct labor. Total daily production. Annual production 330 days /YR at 100% capacity utilization in year 1. 75% tiles available for sale. Year 1. Asterisk 155 750 250,000 187,500 179,687. Pre-feasibility report: roof tiles manufacturing unit, lightweight 5, civil engineer Abu Bakar Siddiq Muawid 6. Production process flow. Major raw materials used in the manufacturing of roof tiles include cement, sand and gravel mixture, which is reinforced with steel wires. Steps required for the manufacturing of these tiles comprise of mixing, molding, demolding and curing, storage and distribution. Production flow diagram is given below. Procuring and stockpiling of raw materials, mixing, molding, demolding and curing, storage, /sale and distribution. Following steps describe the process flow for the production of lightweight roof tiles in detail. Step 1. Procuring and stockpiling of raw materials. Raw materials required for the production of lightweight roof tiles include sand, cement, iron wires and crushed gravel, which can be procured and stored as per the demand and production requirement. Pre-feasibility report. Roof tiles manufacturing unit, lightweight. 6. Civil engineer Abu Bakr Sadiq Muwaid. It is suggested to store raw materials for at least 1 week. Production requirements for efficient running of project and orders fulfillment in time. Step 2. Mixing. Mixing the cement aggregates is the foremost step. Sand is pre-washed to remove dirt contaminants. When the aggregate are mixed thoroughly in mixer, water is added to the mixture. In the local roof tile industry, mixing is performed manually. However, for better results and higher production requirements, aggregate mixer machine should be used, especially when producing large quantity of tiles. Step 3. Molding. The mold is pre-lubricated with a thin layer of used motor oil and kerosene mixture. It prevents sticking and allows the tile to be easily removed from the mold after setting. The lubrication is applied by using a paintbrush. After lubrication, the mold, when it is half filled with aggregate mixture, place the metal wires on the aggregate in a crisscross manner. 6 to 12 wires are used depending upon the requirement of the customer. The diameter of wire also varies. After adding the wires, the mold is completely filled with the cement aggregate. When the molds are full, the concrete is compacted and the upper surface is made smooth by using masonry tools. The size and design of the mold determines the size and design of the finished tile. Pre-feasibility report. Roof tiles manufacturing unit, lightweight. 7. Civil engineer Abu Bakr Sadiq Muwaid. Step 4. Demolding. Setting and curing. The mold containing the wet concrete tile is moved to the setting area. Initially, small amount of water is applied to keep the tiles wet. After about 1 hour, the tiles are removed from the mold. After about 1 day, tiles are moved to a water tank where they are kept immersed in water for further 2 days. After being removed from the water tank, the tiles are kept in ambient temperature for another 7 days to become firm. Step 5. Storage and distribution. The tiles do not require specific storage requirements. They are normally stored in open air. The tiles are inspected for defects before shipment. 7. Project cost summary. A detailed financial model has been developed to analyze the commercial viability of roof tiles manufacturing unit, lightweight. Various cost and revenue related assumptions along with results of the analysis are outlined in this section. The projected income statement, balance sheet and cash flow statement are attached as appendices. 7.1 Project Economics. The total project investment is Rs 1 million, which includes capital cost of Rs 677,443 and working capital of Rs 322,550 to produce 750 tiles/day. Whereby tiles produced by proposed unit at 75% capacity in year 1 will be 562,500 tiles. Pre-feasibility report. Roof tiles manufacturing unit, lightweight 8, civil engineer Abu Bakar Sadiq Mwaid. The following table shows internal rate of return and payback period. Table 2. Project economics description details internal rate of return, IRR, 3% payback period, years. 8-year. Major portion of the cost of tile is attributed to the quantity of cement and number/diameter of reinforcement wire used in a single tile. There are variations in quantity of cement and the number of reinforcement wires used. Additionally, the diameter of reinforcement wire is also reduced by some manufacturers. This results in great variation in the production cost of a single tile. Therefore, it is difficult to compete solely on the basis of price in this sector. The entrepreneur can, however, attain competitive edge in this industry by standardizing the production process. Higher strengths can be produced with the addition of supplementary cement and using good quality of reinforcement wires. Price is normally determined by the amount of cement used and the number of reinforcement wires used in the tile. Owing to the nature of supply and demand, short-term price fluctuations may also occur. Pre-feasibility report. Roof tiles manufacturing unit, lightweight 9, civil engineer Abu Bakar Sadiq Mwaid. 7.2 Project cost. Following requirements have been identified for operations of the proposed business. Table 3. Capital investment for the project. Capital investment Rs. Machinery and equipment 390,909, furniture and fixtures 111,333, office equipment 97,166, pre-operating costs 78,035, total capital costs 677,443, working capital Rs. Upfront land lease 27,111, equipment spare part inventory 7,615, raw material inventory 134,765, cash 133,333, upfront insurance payment 19,733, total working capital 322,557, total investment 1,007.3, space requirement. Considering the various facilities required including production, storage of raw materials and finished tiles, total land requirement for the project is estimated at 3,812 square feet. The finished product and raw materials, with the exception of cement, does not require covered. Pre-feasibility report roof tiles manufacturing unit lightweight 10 Civil Engineer Abu Bakr Sadiq Mwarid area. Therefore, they can be stored in open air. However, a storage room for cement and tools is required and a small office should also be constructed at the production facility. A detail of covered area required for different facilities is given below. Table 4. Building requirement description area, square feet, office 200, store 500, production area 3000, water tank, workers restroom 112, total 3812. There will be no cost for construction of building and infrastructure as the site will be procured on rent and rent is approximated at Rs 27111 / annually. 7.4 Machinery and equipment. Major cost of the equipment is attributed to the molds, known as firma by the local industry. Additionally, the project requires a mixer and very simple masonry equipment. Following table provides a list of equipment required for the establishment of a lightweight roof tiles manufacturing unit. Pre-feasibility report roof tiles manufacturing unit lightweight 11 Civil Engineer Abu Bakr Sadiq Mwarid. Table 5. List of equipment items. Total cost Rs 1 tile molds, 50 molds, asterisk 175,000. 2 misc. Equipment, shovels, wheelbarrow, brushes and other masonry tools, 60,000. 3 mixer 94,000. 4 weighing machine 17,000. 5 water tank, 3 ply, 500 gallons, 44,909. Total 390,909 asterisk 1 mold produces 2 tiles at a time. The unit does not require high-tech equipment or machinery. The molds can be made of wood or metal. For this project it is proposed that metallic molds are used since they are much more durable as compared to wooden molds. One mold consists of 2 tiles placed side by side. Other miscellaneous equipment include shovels, wheelbarrow, brushes and other masonry tools. 7.5 Office equipment. These costs are based on the assumption that a setup will be required to monitor the unit and manage the production of roof tiles. The office is also proposed to be located at site. Lump sum 97,166. Total 208,499. 7.6 Raw material requirements. The raw material required for making roof tiles includes cement, sand, crushed stone, stone powder, iron wire and water. Cost of goods sold for cement tiles is determined by adding cement, sand, gravel, sand powder, iron wires, water and direct labor costs. This cost varies owing to the different ratios of raw materials used by different manufacturers. For this project an average cost of goods sold is assumed to be Rs 14 per tile. The growth in inventory cost is assumed to increase at 5% per annum. Raw material inventory will be maintained for 15 days. Pre-feasibility report. Roof tiles manufacturing unit, lightweight 13, civil engineer Abu Bakar Sadiq Mwarid. Table 7. Cost of material description. Unit required to produce 115 tiles. Unit cost Rs. Cost Rs. Cost tile 12x12 Rs. Cement 1 bag 1 600 5.22 sand 1-1.5 bag 4.05 30 121.5 1.05 gravel 0 size 0.5 bag 1.5 30 45 0.39 crushed powder Kaka 1.5 bag 4.5 44 198 1.72 iron wire 4.6 65 299 2.60 used motor oil 1-1.5 liters 1.5 80 121.04 water 115 115 machine maintenance per unit of production 115 115 cost per unit 14 7.7 revenue generation. Sales price ranges from Rs 19 to Rs 23 per tile depending upon the quality of tile. Sale price for this project has been calculated as Rs 21 per tile. The sales price growth rate is assumed to increase at 10% per annum. Pre-feasibility report. Roof tiles manufacturing unit, lightweight 14, civil engineer Abu Bakar Sadiq Mwarid. Table 8. Revenue assumptions. Product unit sales price Rs.forward/unit. First year production at 75%, less inventory. First year sales revenue Rs. Roof tiles 187,521 179,687 3773427 presented by Civil Engineer Abu Bakar Sadiq Mwarid.